Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is relation, parent to child relationship, child to parent relationship. Relation. SOQL provides syntax to support this type of queries called relationship queries against standard objects and custom objects. Relationship queries traverse parent to child and child to parent relationships between objects to filter and return results. Relationship queries are similar to SQL joins. The relationship queries in SOQL must traverse a valid relationship path as defined in the rest of this section. Parent to child relationship. We can identify parent-child relationship by viewing the ER diagram in the data model section of the Salesforce object. Syntax. List of parent result equals to in big bracket select parent field 1 comma parent field 2 comma in bracket select child field 1 comma child field 2 from parent. Example standard object select name phone select last name first name from contacts from account. Example custom object select name underscore underscore c select mode underscore underscore c from payments underscore underscore r for relationship from customer underscore underscore c. Example standard custom object select name underscore underscore c from customers underscore underscore r from account. This is standard object, this is custom object. Standard object, custom object. Example, custom object, standard object. Select name underscore underscore c account underscore underscore r dot name from customer underscore underscore c. Custom object and standard object. Custom object and standard object. Child to parent relationship. For child to parent relationship, the relationship name to the parent is the name of the foreign key, and there is a relationship name property that holds the reference to the parent object. Syntax list of child result equals to select child field 1 comma child field 2 comma relation field dot parent field 1 comma relation field dot parent field 2 from child. Example extended object select last name comma first name comma account dot name comma account dot phone from contact. Both are standard object. Custom object select mode underscore underscore c comma customer underscore underscore r dot name underscore underscore c from payment underscore underscore c. Both are custom object. Example standard custom object select name underscore underscore c comma account underscore underscore r dot name from customer underscore underscore c. Standard object and custom object. Example custom standard object select name underscore underscore c from customers underscore underscore r from account. Custom object and standard object. Thank you. So coming back to our practical session, if there is no customer and payment object is there, first we need to create customer and payment object, and mandatory fields should be also there. This is a customer custom object. These are the standard fields and these are custom fields. There is a relationship with account standard object, that is lookup type, and there is a name underscore underscore c. This is custom field. And one more thing, in customer object there should be some data also. If there is no data, we are not getting data when we are querying. In the payment custom object, this is payment custom object, payment underscore underscore C. These are the standard fields, and there is a customer lookup, and there is one more mode underscore underscore C, that is of data type pick list. In this object also there should be some data. When we are querying, then we are getting this data. And in account and contact, there is already relationship is defined by the Salesforce. So now we are opening developer console. First I am going to query parent child relationship, and for standard object I am going to query select name phone, select last name comma first name from contacts, yes, from account. Clicking on execute button, this relationship is giving the result account is related with contacts. These many contacts are there and these many accounts are there. Second relationship is, this is a standard object, this is custom object. Select name underscore underscore C comma select mode underscore underscore C from payments underscore underscore R. This is for relation from customer underscore underscore C. Click on execute. These many records are coming. This is customer and this is payment. Standard custom object, select name comma select name underscore underscore C from customers underscore underscore R from account. Clicking on execute, these many names are there and these many customers are there. These accounts are related with these customers. Custom standard of select name underscore underscore C comma account underscore underscore R dot name from customer underscore underscore C. This is customer Ravi and this account name Rohit. Child to parent relationship, for a standard object select last name first name comma account dot name comma account dot phone from contact. Clicking on execute button, these are the contacts last name and first name, and these are accounts name and phone. Custom object, select mode underscore underscore C comma customer underscore underscore R dot name underscore underscore C from payment underscore underscore C. From payment object, this cash and online. From customer object, this Neha and Ravi. Standard custom object, select name underscore underscore C comma account underscore R dot name from customer underscore underscore C. Clicking on execute, there is no records at all. Custom standard object, select name comma select name underscore underscore C from customers underscore underscore R from account. These many names are there and these many customers are there. This account name is associated with these customers. Thank you.